In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export data from Apollo.io, an essential tool for any business looking to streamline their outreach efforts and boost lead generation. If you've been wondering how to leverage Apollo.io's powerful features for your campaigns, stay tuned. I'll break down the whole process in just a few minutes. Apollo.io is one of the top platforms for sales teams and marketers, providing access to a huge database of contacts and the tools to reach out effectively. Whether you're using it to generate leads or enrich your CRM data, knowing how to export your data properly can save you time and maximize your results. To start, you'll need to log in to your Apollo.io account. If you don't have one yet, you can access it completely for free through the first link below, and we've got some exclusive bonuses for you too. But now, let's get into how to export your data. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Search tab. Apollo.io offers powerful search filters to help you find exactly the type of leads or contacts you're looking for. You can filter by industry, company size, job title, and more. Once you've set your search criteria, it's time to move on to exporting. When you're viewing your search results, you'll see an option to select individual contacts, or you can select them in bulk. Bulk exporting is extremely useful if you're looking to download a large number of leads at once. Simply tick the boxes next to the contacts you want to export, or choose the Select All option to grab all results at once. Once you've selected your contacts, look for the Export button on the right side of the page. Click on it, and you'll have a few different export options. The default export file is usually a CSV, which is great for most use cases since it can easily be imported into CRMs, email tools, or even into Excel for further analysis. If you prefer a different format, such as Excel, Apollo.io lets you choose the format that works best for your needs. Once you've made your selection, just hit Export, and Apollo.io will compile the data for you. Now, while Apollo.io is great at exporting contact info like names, emails, and phone numbers, it also pulls in other important details like company info and job titles. This can be crucial for crafting personalized outreach campaigns. One important tip: Apollo.io also allows you to sync your data directly to a CRM or marketing automation tool like Salesforce or HubSpot. This integration can save you even more time, especially if you're handling a large number of leads and don't want to manually upload them every time. After you've exported your data, you'll receive a notification that the export is ready. You can download your file directly from the dashboard. This makes it super easy to get your leads into the system of your choice, so you can follow up with them effectively. If you're new to Apollo.io, exporting data might seem a little intimidating at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll realize just how easy and flexible it is. The ability to export bulk data from Apollo.io gives you the power to take your sales and marketing efforts to the next level by utilizing high-quality contact lists for your campaigns. As you're exporting data, remember that Apollo.io has more to offer. You can also export performance reports, email engagement data, and more, which are invaluable for tracking your campaign success. So there you have it, a quick and simple guide to exporting data from Apollo.io. And remember, you can try this powerful tool completely free by clicking the first link below. Plus, we've arranged for an extended trial just for you, giving you more time to test out all the features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab your exclusive extended trial and start using Apollo.io to streamline your lead generation today.